Your watermelons are rotting because they're not getting enough calcium. If you notice on the end of your watermelon that they get black and kind of sunken in and gross looking, that is a sure sign of a calcium deficiency. There are two reasons why your plants aren't getting enough calcium. Reason number one is that there simply isn't enough calcium in the soil itself. The second reason is that your ground has gotten too dry so that the vines are not capable of pulling the calcium out of the soil. So if this is happening to you and you notice that some of your watermelons are rotten, it is time to perform a watermelon reset. Step number one of your watermelon reset is to remove any rotten watermelons and dispose of them far away from your garden. Step number two is to assess if you maybe need to thin your watermelon plants. If you have more than 2 to 3 plants per mound, that's probably not a good idea because they're probably competing too much for nutrients. Step number three is add calcium right here in the mound. My favorite thing to use is eggshells, and I have a whole video on exactly how to add eggshells to your garden and how to use it for melon fertilizer. So you can check that out up in the card or down in the description. Step number 4 is to water your melon plants evenly and consistently so you don't have any calcium problems due to watering. You want to keep the soil moist but not sopping because watermelon plants neither like dry soil nor sopping soil. They need good drainage. Bonus tip is to mulch either at the end of the season or at the beginning before you plant watermelon. Mulching is a great idea, especially if you have a clay-based soil like me, which really doesn't like to drain. So that is why your watermelon are rotting on the vine. Make sure to check out the video on how to use eggshells to give your watermelon the calcium they need. I hope you found this video helpful, but now it's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye. Goodbye. Always remember to be happy. I'm buzzing away. Woo. Wait a minute. Is that clover? I don't weed for a few days, and this is what happens. I'm gonna go get my weeding gloves. Goodbye. Whoa. Oh, hey guys, look, it's Rufus. Rufus, what are you doing on my watermelon plant? Rufus.
Let's go with Ozzie, quit the bee, and learn some gardening. Plants, flowers, it doesn't matter, we'll get better. It's only the beginning now, so let's sow our seeds and pluck the weeds, and let the sun do the rest.